Introduction to Purposive Communication. Hi, welcome to Chum Communication with Catherine of Perfect Learn TV. Wondering what purposive communication is all about? Let me give you a tour on this subject. Subject has 9 big lessons. Here, learn the communication process, principles and characteristics of communication, and the verbal and nonverbal language. Learn to communicate across culture. Learn cultural ignorance and writing a reaction paper. You will be discussing culture and cultural globalization, cultural differences and sensitivity. The difference between cultural sensitivity versus cultural appropriation. Distinguish language varieties from language registers. Learn from multimodal texts. And be aware of cultural diversity in multimodal texts. Apply technology-based communication tools and do multimedia presentation. Learn different types of communication and understand conventions of traditional genres. Do public service announcement. Apply guidelines for effective communication in work environment. Write workplace documents, especially writing proposals. This part is more focused on writing research paper. I hope this video helped you prepare for this subject. See you on my next video about purposive communication. Keep safe! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Perfect Learn TV for more videos and updates.